Dear students, welcome to Kalanava Tutorials Chitradurga. In the previous video, we have to solve the first and second problems of the exercise number 1.1. So this is the third main. Here they given that for the following APs, write the first term and common difference. Here APs are given. We have to find out the first term and the common difference. In the first problem, they given the first one AP as 3, 1, minus 1 and minus 3 and so on. Here we have to write the first term for this one. The first term is A is equal to, we write that is 3. And the common difference we have to find out the D here. So that means for finding D, you write A2 minus A1. So that is A2 is of 1 and minus A1 is of 3. Here plus 1 minus 3, that means you have to subtract here, that gives you minus 2. And for the second problem, here the second problem they given that minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7 and so on. Here you have to write the first term. First term is A, that is equal to, here minus 5 is the first term. So for finding the common difference, here D is equal to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is of minus 1 minus and A1 is of minus 5. We have to write that in the bracket. So here minus 1, first we have to multiply these two symbols, minus into minus plus 5. So that gives you minus 1 plus 5, that gives you plus 4. The value of D is there, plus 4. And in the third problem, the problem is given that half 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and so on. So here for this we have to write the first term. First term A is equal to 1 by 2. And for writing the common difference, D is equal to A2 minus A1. So that is A2 is half minus A1 is also half, that gives you plus half and minus half, that becomes 0. Here this one is the first term and the common difference. And in the fourth problem, they given that in the fourth problem, first term is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 and 3.9 and so on. Here we have to write the first term. The first term A is equal to, that is 0.6, and for finding the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. So here A2 is 1.7 minus A1 is 0.6. For finding this, we have to write the terms like 6. 1.7 minus 0.6. So we have to subtract from 6 from 7, that gives you 1.1, and the value of D is equal to 1.1. So in this way we have to find out the first term and the common difference. For the first problem, first term is 3 and common difference is 2. Here it is first term and the common difference. Here it is first term and the common difference. In all the problems you write the first term and the common difference. Okay, thank you students. For continuous videos you have to subscribe our channel and you get the notification, and then you observe all the series of videos. Thank you.